When I was a bachelor, the worst thing was washing dishes and cleaning clothes. And there was always that issue of calling a mamafua on Saturday to do that work, isn't it? Yes. And no, mamafua is just an ordinary person who is hustling. So hata utampigia Saturday zingine upate simu yake iliharibika, so you can't get them. Or she or whatever has traveled to up country, or ameitwa mahali ingine already. But now, what if I am the mamafua, or in this case, the babafua? How would I run the same business differently to be able to get money from it? Using leverage.
So according to my point of thinking, I can say you can hire more people to help you run the business.
Okay.
But a platform on social media where you can advertise.
So okay, so you've come here to the hiring, but I wanted us to use what is freely available, like social media. Yes, so you can advertise your services on social media. Like you can have. Remember when we were starting our consultancy businesses, we said the first thing is at least make it formal, register in e-Citizen, so you have a name. So I have babafua services, isn't it? So what do? I create a very good profile on social media. I create the problem. I paint the problem to the people, isn't it? I ask, are you inconvenienced by your laundry during weekends? You need to relax during weekends, but now you have to stress looking for a mamafua or a babafua, isn't it? You have to stress waiting in the house for them to finish so that you can start your weekend. And you have to be back early on Saturday so that you can get your clothes from the clothesline before it starts raining or someone else takes it, isn't it? You see, that is a problem that you didn't actually see first. At this bachelor, on Saturday, anataka either alale ama aende out na marafiki zake, sindio? But wewe unamwambia as the normal mamafua, nitakuja kwako nikufulie, nikuanikie, unilipe, tumalizane. So it means as the bachelor, I have to sit there in the house waiting for mamafua to finish. I go out with the people I'm going out with or whatever function, but every time I'll be taking the watch, goes isinyeshe, isn't it? And then on Sunday, instead of relaxing, nitakuwa nikipiga pasi, goes the whole week. If I create that picture on my social media that I am solving a problem that you do not be inconvenienced and you do not waste time thinking about other things, that I will come on Saturday morning, collect your clothes, and then I'll bring them on Sunday evening, cleaned, ironed, folded. Nitapata watu wangapi wanataka hiyo services? Si wamefua watakosa kazi. But it's this normal business, but I've created a problem that people didn't know they had, but they needed to know that they had, isn't it? Yes. Even on Saturday you want to relax. So I am creating an opportunity for you to do the relaxing so that I can do the work. So I get 20 bachelors and each pays me, let's say 2,000 or 3,000 shillings. So every weekend I have 60,000. Now with that money, I can start looking for people to help me. I can expand to other estates. So utaonanga tu wala mamafua wanakaanga mahali wakingoja waitwe. Hawana kakitu, but mimi ni babafua, nafanya kazi kama yao, but I'm making money. So that's the kind of transformation I want us to have. That whatever passion you have, whatever business you're thinking of, can you now rethink it in terms of what problems you can solve?